Hello, and welcome to Fiddler Brown's Computer Networking Lab. You're watching the instructional video called Basic Trunking. Switch interfaces that are configured to be access ports carry network traffic for only one VLAN. Switch interfaces that are configured to be trunks carry network traffic for multiple VLANs. Trunks are used to carry packets from switches to switches or from switches to routers, regardless of which VLAN the packet is from. Here we have two switches linked together using fast Ethernet. The computers are connected to the switches using VLAN 10, and the laptops are connected to the switches using VLAN 20. We have configured the link between the switches with an access port of VLAN 10. We are looking at the terminal window of computer A. If computer A, which is in VLAN 10, tries to communicate with other computers in VLAN 10 on switch 1 or switch 2, it is able to do so without any problems. The broadcast ping has no problems traversing between the switches because the interface connecting them is also in VLAN 10. Now we're viewing the terminal window of the laptop A. If laptop A, which is in VLAN 20, tries to communicate with other laptops in VLAN 20, it will be able to talk with laptops in the same VLAN that is on the same switch. But it cannot talk to laptops outside of its own switch. This is because only network traffic from VLAN 10 will travel across the link connecting the switches. Now, let's configure the link between switch 1 and switch 2 as a trunk. Since the trunk by default will allow every VLAN traffic to pass through it, every networking device in any VLAN can communicate with every other networking device in that same VLAN in both switches. We have seen how trunking is useful for connecting numerous switches together while retaining their VLAN structures. I hope this video was informative, and I thank you for viewing.